What's going on, guys? Kurt here with another 5-minute guitar lesson. Today's song is Someone Like You by Adele. We can bring this into 4 different guitar parts. The part that's played for the verse and the intro, the part for the pre-chorus, the chorus part, and the bridge. Learn the song even quicker by checking out the link in the description below, where you can follow along with this tutorial, but also get lyrics and chords on top of them and any other cool things covered in this video. So tune up your guitar, put your capo on your 2nd fret, and we're ready to go. So let's start out with the verse. The chords we've got for this are G, D, E minor, and C. So the strumming pattern, you can check it out on the screen. We're playing on the 1 and of the beat 1, and then for beats 2, 3, and 4, we're playing on the E and A. So it's not too complicated, but it might take you a little bit to get the emotion. So I'll go through it slowly to walk you through it. So I'll start on just the G, and I'm just going to play the chord progression slowly. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on beat 1, you're doing down, down, up, and then the next 3 beats are going to be up, down, up. So here's this chord progression slowly. So now moving on to the pre-chorus. We're going to use the exact same strumming pattern, just a slightly different chord progression. It's pretty much the same chords. We've got a D, and then an E minor, and then you're going to play C for 2 run-throughs of the chord progression. And that's the pre-chorus. Now, moving on to the chorus, we're going to do a similar strumming pattern, but slightly different. And we're back to the same chord progression as the verse. We've got a G, D, E minor, C. And what we're going to do for this strumming pattern is the same first beat we've been doing before and the same second beat, and then we're going to repeat that. So there's nothing we haven't seen before. The chord progression is the same as in the verse, and the rhythm is pretty much the same. Same first and second beat, and then you just repeat that. So it's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. And then you just repeat that twice for each chord. Down, down, up, down, up. So slowly this chord progression is going to look like this. Now, moving on to the final section, the bridge. This one's going to be super easy. All we're going to do is play on the 1 and the 3. The only thing different about this is we've got a longer chord progression. We've got 6 chords in this one. D, E minor, C, A minor, G, and C. So we're going to play on the 1 and the 3, and each chord's going to be held for 2 bars. And that's it. If you can play all 4 of these parts, you can play the entire song. Did you like this video? Well, then you better hit the subscribe button right now so you get access to all my latest content right when I upload it on your YouTube homepage. Once you've done that, click on this video or that video and launch your next guitar adventure.